Perched on the southern slopes of Mount Parnassus, Arachova is one of Greece's most picturesque mountain towns, blending alpine charm with deep-rooted cultural traditions. Located just a short drive from the ancient sanctuary of Delphi, Arachova has long served as a gateway for visitors seeking both history and natural beauty. The town is built amphitheatrically along the mountainside, its stone houses cascading down steep, narrow streets that offer sweeping views of the surrounding valleys. Traditional architecture dominates, with slate roofs, wooden balconies, and cobbled alleys that invite leisurely exploration. In winter, Arachova transforms into a bustling hub for skiers heading to the nearby Parnassos Ski Center, one of the largest and most popular ski resorts in the country. The snowy landscape, combined with the town's cozy tavernas and vibrant nightlife, gives it a distinctly cosmopolitan feel during the colder months. Despite its modern appeal, Arachova remains deeply connected to its heritage. It is famous for its hand-woven textiles, particularly colorful rugs and traditional garments crafted using techniques passed down through generations. Local cuisine is another highlight, with hearty mountain dishes such as roasted lamb, wild greens, and the region's renowned formula cheese, a protected designation product that reflects the area's pastoral traditions. Cultural life in Arachova is especially vivid during festivals. The Feast of St. George, held every spring, is one of the most important events in the town's calendar. Celebrations include religious ceremonies, music, dancing, and traditional sports, offering visitors a glimpse into the community's enduring customs. The town's folklore museum further preserves this heritage, showcasing artifacts, costumes, and tools that tell the story of daily life in earlier times. The surrounding natural environment adds another layer to Arachova's appeal. Mount Parnassus provides opportunities for hiking, climbing, and nature walks during the warmer months, with trails that wind through forests and offer panoramic views of the Corinthian Gulf. The changing seasons bring distinct atmospheres, from snow-covered serenity in winter to vibrant greenery and wildflowers in spring and summer. Arachova's unique character lies in its balance between tradition and modernity. While it caters to tourists with stylish cafes, boutique shops, and lively bars, it has managed to preserve its authentic identity. Whether serving as a base for exploring the ancient ruins of Delphi, a winter sports destination, or a peaceful mountain retreat, Arachova offers a multifaceted experience that captures the essence of rural Greece with a refined, contemporary edge.